Terra Classic Lunc, a decentralized and local area-driven digital money, means to ointment the first Gibber blockchain's vision of encouraging a decentralized money DeFi biological system, advancing monetary inclusivity and development. In the event that you're searching for Terra Classic cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Terra Jabber Lunc will go from now on, we will examine the previous costs of Papaya Gibber Lunc and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market Gibber. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is Gibber unimaginable. Be that as it may, we will make an honest jabber. We should begin. Decentralized money DeFi environment. Lunc is at the very front of the DeFi Gibber, giving clients admittance to a wide exhibit of decentralized monetary administrations. Through shrewd agreements and blockchain innovation, clients can take part in loaning, acquiring, and other Jabber exercises without the requirement for customary intermediaries. Interoperability with customary money. One of Lunc's champion highlights is its obligation to Gibber with conventional monetary frameworks. This works with a smooth change for Gibber Amalia with traditional banking, offering a scaffold between the old and new monetary ideal models. Carbon unbiased Gibber Lunc is planned considering ecological manageability. The blockchain works on an Gibber component that limits energy utilization, making it a more eco-accommodating option in the digital money space. As per the most recent information accumulated, the disappointment cost of Jabber Classic is $0.77 and Lunc is right now positioned #118 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of Terra Classic is 5,438,759,620,701 with a market cap of 418,063,200 Gibber $4. In the beyond 24 hours, the Jabber has been diminished by 0.23% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business Gibber cap of the Lunc with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. From most Gibber 7 days, the Lunc was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 8.6%. Terra Classic has shown areas of Gibber for extremely recently, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. We foresee future Terra Classic cost expectations. Lunc gauge by applying profound man-made consciousness help specialize disappointment on the past value information of Gibber Classic. We give our all to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Lunc coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Terra Classic Jabber, Terra Classic volume, and barely any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into Gibber digital forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our expectations. Terra Gibber Value Expectation Rundown. Long-haul Gibber recommends that Terra Classic cost might actually flood to $0.0679 by 2050. Terra Classic Cost Gauge proposes a chance of Lunc exchanging between $0.00 Gibber $128 to $0.0152 in 2025. There is potential for Terra Classic cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as high as $0.0932 toward the finish of 20 Jabber. The cost of one Lunc would reach as high as $0.0519 Gibberost by 2040. With the ongoing cost of $0.077, Terra Jabber holds its ground on the lookout. Terra Classic Value Gibber 2024. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2024 the cost of Terra Classic is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.00 Jabber $87. The Lunc cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.0099 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.00 Gibber 91 ointment. Terra Classic Value Gibber 2025. Terra Classic cost is estimated to arrive at a most Gibber conceivable degree of $0.0128 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the Lunc cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.0152 with the typical figure cost of Jabber $0.0132. Gibber value figure for 2026. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of Terra Classic is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of Jabber $0.0189. The Lunc cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.0224 Gibber with the typical worth of $0.0194. Terra Gibber Lunc Value Expectation 2027. Terra Classic cost is conjectured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $0.00027 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the Lunc cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.0329 with the typical figure cost of $0.028. Gibber Classic Value Freedom 2028. The cost of one Gibber Classic is supposed to reach at any rate level of $0.0377 in 2028. The Lunc cost can arrive at a freedom degree of $0.469 with the typical cost of $0.391 all through 2028. Terra Gibber Value Forecast 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Lunc, in 2029 the cost of Terra Gibber is determined to be at around a base worth of $0.537. The Terra Classic value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.659 with the typical exchanging worth of $0.557 in USD. Terra Classic Lunc Value Gibber 2030. The cost of Terra Classic is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0.7 Gibber $794 in 2030. The Terra Classic cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.932 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.817 all through 2030. Terra Classic Value Figure 20 Gibber 1. As per our profound Gibber examination on past value information of Lunc, in 2031 the cost of Terra Classic is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.012. The Lunc cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.014 with the typical exchanging cost of Gibber $12. Gibber Classic Lunc Value Expectation 2032. The cost of Terra Classic is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.017 in 2032. The Terra Classic cost can arrive at a most Gibber degree of $0.02 with the typical cost of $0.018 all through 2032. Gibber Classic Value Forecast 2033. The cost of Terra Classic is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $0.025 Gibber in 2033. The Terra Classic cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.03 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.026 all through 2033. Terra Gibber Value Estimate 2040. The reception and certifiable use Gibber of a digital money are similarly crucial contemplations. Projects with functional applications and far-reaching reception are Gibber to persevere over the long haul. According to the Terra Classic cost estimate for 2040, Lunc is expected to arrive at a most Gibber value worth of $0.0519 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of Lunc coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $0.43, while the typical cost of the Gibber Classic for 2040 is projected to be $0.0457. Gibber Value Figure for 2050. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is essential. However, Gibber can be flighty. Inspecting current market elements